Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can extract the audio from video in CapCut PC for easily. So if you has been added clip and then just going to audio, select extract audio, so you can click import, select video you want to extract. For instance, going to select this video, just click open and has been extracted, and then just tap on add icon here or dog here. So here we go. um but I turn off the music for fear of being copyrighted. So that's how to extract the audio from video in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. You can click thanks button for appreciate. Thank you so much for watching.